Hi, this is Valerie. One more video from Dashley team about marketing tricks that increase the profit of your business. But before I share all the secrets with you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get all the secrets among the first. This time we're going to speak about the importance of conversation with the customers, because conversation with the customers is something that's been number one during the last couple of years, during the pandemic years, because the customers want to be appreciated and they want to have personalized communication. So if you want to stand out among the competitors, you should definitely work on the communication strategy. This time I will tell you about 5 mistakes you might be making while communicating with your customers. Let's start. So mistake number 1, you're not engaging your customers proactively. So what I mean to say is you're waiting for your customers to initiate the communication. Like they should come to you and say, "Hey, what is your product about? May I buy it?" No, that is wrong. You should come to your customers and say, "Hey, look at my product. Would you like to try it? Would you like to get some special offer from me?" So start engaging your customers into the conversation and you will definitely be surprised to see their reaction. They want to communicate with you. They want to know you. They want to understand what person is standing behind everything. So start the communication. You can easily do it proactively using a chatbot on your website or just simply a live chat tool. Or you can also start the communication with a pop-up window, like inviting them to read an article, for example, or to visit a particular page on your website. So still, you're the first person who breaks the silence and starts communication. The second mistake, you're not capturing all the possible leads on your website. I'm sure you drive traffic to your website using ads, using organic traffic, using whatever is available right now. So your website has a lot of people coming to your website daily and even hourly, but you're not converting them into leads. So think hard about the ways to generate leads on your website. Again, create different lead magnets. For example, here I shared tons of ideas with lead magnets. Just go and grab something. You can distribute something for free, a checklist, a data sheet, some information. You can just offer something special, discount, present, well, whatever this can be. But you are generating the leads. So that's what you should do. The third mistake, my favorite one, and I want every company to avoid this, that is not qualifying leads. That's where the sales department, sales representatives are suffering a lot because they have to work with the people who are not likely to buy. The marketing department is happy, they've generated tons of leads, but these are not qualified and the sales department wastes their time calling people, working with them and just finding out that these are not the ones who are actually interested in the product. That is the problem. You can actually follow the link in the description to this video and watch their solution to this, but I'll give you a hint. A chatbot. It works 24/7, it can qualify leads within 20 seconds and you can actually configure it under 5 minutes, for example, using Dashley tool. It has a chatbot and you can build a chatbot straight away. So just go and do it. Mistake number 4 that you may be making while communicating with your customers or actually not communicating with them is late response. You're not responding to them or you're responding 5 hours later. The solution? Auto responses. Every company that responds instantly is already grabbing the leads and grabbing the communication. What I mean to say is that your managers may be asleep, but a chatbot can start communicating with your potential customers. So a chatbot can collect the information, can qualify people, or a chatbot can easily say, "Hey, all our managers are now sleeping. They are getting more energy for the new working day. And once they are in front of their computers with the first cup of coffee, they will see your inquiry and they will contact you." So at this point, a customer already knows, hey, they care about me. Great. And mistake number 5 is no nurturing. Nurturing is a part of the funnel when you're communicating with your customers through emails. So they're somewhere in the middle of the funnel. They are already aware of your product. They are probably likely to buy, but they're not ready yet to make the purchase. So the middle of the funnel can be easily nurtured with a sequence of emails that gently reminds them of your product or the company news, the releases, some important information that your potential customers should know. I'm sure you're aware of all the triggers your customers may have. So embed the nurturing campaign into the customer journey and get the results. So these are 5 mistakes that can be corrected within one evening and actually within one tool, for example, Dashly. So it has chatbot, it has pop-up windows, it has live chat. By the way, all your managers can install the application to their mobiles and they can just start communicating with their potential customers on the go. And it also has a pop-up builder tool so that you can work on the lead magnets, right? 7 days for free. Excellent customer support that is ready to help you, and customer success that is ready to create the solution exactly for your company. Bye!